Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online classes now. Let's continue our geography. Forest and wildlife resources we are doing. And in our previous class we have talked about various categories. So we will continue. Different categories of existing. The plants and animals found on this earth at present. Existing means at present remaining. Plants and animals are grouped under different headings according to their species. According to different categories and species, these are the groups. Different categories of existing plant and animal species are as follows: normal species, endangered species, vulnerable species, rare species, endemic species, and extinct species. There are altogether 6 groups, 6 categories. We'll talk about one by one. Today we'll do 3, 4. Normal species. So normal species means species whose population level are considered to be normal. Their population is normal for survival. For survival, their population is normal. So that these species are called normal species, such as cows. Endangered species, they are in danger. Endangered, the species which are under threat. Species which are in danger of extinction. If proper care is not taken, they will finish ultimately. Danger of extinction, their survival is difficult. Their survival is difficult if the negative factors, have led to the decline of their population. Due to negative factors, due to human factor, due to natural factors. So due to this, if the negative factors have led to the decline in their population, so these species find it very difficult to survive. Species which are in danger of extinction due to negative factors. I have told you negative factors due to human factor and due to natural factors. Their survival is difficult, and this will decline in their population. Due to this, their population negative factor, their population becomes very less or decline, and they will come to the extinction. So that is endangered species. Vulnerable. Vulnerable means likelihood, having more chances. Vulnerable species. Species which are vulnerable, that they will move to endangered then extinct. Vulnerable species. Species whose population has declined. Their population has declined to level. They have reached such a level from where it is likely to move to endangered category. Vulnerable species due to negative factors. Their population has gone down. Now they are about to move to endangered species. So, in the near future, if proper care and protection is not done, these vulnerable species will enter endangered species. And there again, if it is not cared, the endangered species will become extinct. Will not find anymore. So, rare species. What is called rare species? Species having small population. Rare species means the species of plants and animals having a small population small number, may move to vulnerable or endangered. These species may move to vulnerable, from vulnerable to endangered, then extinct. It may move if negative factors continue to affect their population. If negative factors affect their population, or if their population goes down or it declines more further, then they will enter vulnerable or endangered. And again from there it will ultimately finish. So that is, now these are the 1, 2, 3, 4 we have talked about. In our next class we will talk about endemic and extinct. And I will give you some example of this species. Some example, and we will talk about these two, endemic and species. Endemic means the species which are brought from outside, other areas. So they are endemic, and extinct, which have already vanished from the earth. That's called extinct species. So now we'll talk about that in our next class. Endemic and extinct, and some example of this I will give you, provide you on the board. So that's all for today. Stay safe and study at home regularly, and make a habit of going through the online portal, and be safe. Be wise enough to use your time wisely. That's all I can say right now. So let's hope the school will begin soon, so that we can carry on properly in the class. So that's all for today. That's all. Thank you for watching the video.